on my official YouTube channel. So first of all guys, you are watching Short Board. So guys, let's start this video without any delay. So first of all guys, let me tell you, if you did not do subscribe to this channel still now, so first of all guys, do subscribe to this channel so that to get new updates and new videos for your NDA oriented. So guys, please do subscribe to the channels and like and share this video so that mostly candidates watched this video. This is very most. So guys, you are also aware that I started yesterday trigonometric first lecture also uploaded on this channel. So guys, today is second day of trigonometric. So guys, I I give you some important formula for your NDA oriented. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to implement this formulas in your questions. So guys, this is very most important questions, and so according to UPSC exam, this is very most important. So guys, how to solve this within seconds and within good approach. So guys, you are also aware that this is cos 105. It means, and this is sine 105. So guys, how to solve this? You are also aware that cos 90 plus theta, and this is sine 90 plus theta. It means sine 90 plus theta and 15. And guys, cos 90 plus theta is equal to sine 15, and cos are negative in second quadrant, so that minus, and plus sine 90 plus theta is equal to plus cos theta and cos 15. So guys, you are also aware that I noticed and I give you value of this sine 15 and cos 15. If you do not watch this video, so guys, I will provide you a link on this video in the description box. So please watch that video, and then you can solve these questions. This is very easy if you will watch that video. So guys, sine 15 की value, first of all cos 15, so that it will easy for you. We will write this here. Cos 15 is sine 15. Then cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 to root 2 and root 3 minus 1, so that minus plus and 2 root 2, and LCM is 2 root 2. Finally, this will this and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So finally guys, answer will be 1 upon 2 root 2. So guys, how solve this is final answer. So guys, and this is very most important formula for your ND oriented. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b, and you can get a new formula. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a, and sin square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. And due to this minus this plus and this, so formula this, and next formula is sin square b minus cos square a. So guys, this is very most important. So guys, you can watch. UPSC also asked this question, also asked the questions on this formula. So guys, please note this formula, and this is very must for oriented and oriented. So guys, note this formula in your textbooks. So guys, cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, and similarly in this way you can get a new formula 1 minus sin square a and 1 minus cos square b. 1 minus cos square b, due to this minus this will be plus, and this cos square b minus sin square b. So finally guys, please like and share this video. So guys, let me tell you, but this is not, I know that this is not sufficient for your ND oriented study. But guys, let me tell you, if you are preparing for your exams, so guys, you need a couple of practice makes man perfect. So guys, you need a practice. So guys, you can use any reference books like 3000 MCQs and any other books. So guys, it is totally on depend on you. But guys, please like and share this video. Keep smiling. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks a lot.